A warp drive does not move through space, it moves space itself. We enter the heart of the starship. Immense rings of energy spin in solemn procession around a singularity, the warp core. The air shifts with a deep, resonant hum. Blue-white plasma pulses and arcs, climbing superconductive pylons in bursts of silent lightning. Every atom in this engine hall is drawn to the awakening core, as if reality itself anticipates an event horizon. To the eye, it's technology. To the mind, it's something more, a controlled eruption of curiosity, channeled through metal and mind alike. In this chamber of light and power, the journey begins by warping, not the vessel, but the fabric of everything that surrounds it. The drive does not cut through the void. Instead, it bends and shapes space-time. A grid of reality compressed before the prow, expanded behind the stern, forming a bubble of possibility. Within this bubble, the ship is still, untouched by inertia. It is the universe that moves. From the outside, a ripple, within order and silence. On the observation deck, the crew hovers, held in quiet awe. Through reinforced glass, stars no longer shine as mere points. Instead, they arc into ribbons, curving along the edge of vision. Ahead, a tunnel of liquid starlight twists into infinity. Silence hangs, broken only by the faint heartbeat-like thrum of engines and the whispers of space-time brushing past the hull. Here motion and rest merge into a new sensation, travel without apparent speed. No propulsion, no acceleration, only the beautiful estrangement of light. Distortion, both exquisite and unnerving. Yet behind the spectacle lies mathematics, glowing, ethereal trails in the void. Alcubierre's equation dances, luminous against the black. Energy rings accelerate, drawing power from realms stranger than matter itself, exotic energies, negative densities. Heavier than the weight of stars, yet lighter than the emptiness between them. The boundary between science and speculation blurs, but the drive endures. As the field intensifies, the universe becomes the engine. The bubble stabilizes, reality itself flows, unstoppable and serene. Light blurs into endless bands. Time unspools. The stars smear into the geometry of pure velocity. In this unfolding present, the traveler sees no journey. The ship remains suspended. His reflection warps and twists in dark glass. Outside, space shimmers, breathing slowly, alive. Within the chamber, floating dust becomes constellations, spiraling, dancing, following currents invisible and ancient. Presence, not passage, movement without moving. The ship does not cross the stars flow past the ship. Perhaps the warp drive is more than a machine. It is an allegory, reality bent by the will to perceive, the fabric of existence warped for consciousness to traverse. As the vessel dissolves the limitations of distance, so too does the mind brush against the veiled unity of physics and imagination. Collapse. The field quiets, blue-white light flickers and plasma arcs fade. The ship coasts into stillness. Beyond the hull, a new sun rises over virgin worlds. The stars, changed only in their arrangement, shine in silent witness. Inside the warp, the universe remains. It is we who are transformed,